Hey everyone, what's up? This is Alvin Mark. We're back in the outdoors again. This time we're at the Kallang Basin. It's right behind me. I'm anticipating the month-end urban sketching group meet, which will be around this entire Kallang Basin area. It's a huge area. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna come out here a couple days before to make a painting from this side. And on the day itself, when everyone else is meeting, I'm gonna go over to the Tanjong Rhu side where the bridge is to make a painting from there. And once again, if you're new here, this is Alvin Mark. I'm an artist. I make art all over the island of Singapore. Thanks for tuning in. This is my setup and let's do this, folks. How about that, folks? I'm gonna call it a wrap. Sun is setting. Let's head back here a couple days from now during the USKSg meetup. And obviously on YouTube it's gonna be like 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. And we are finally in the future. That took like 3 seconds, right? Over on your side. This is Alvin Mark. Welcome to this Saturday morning. It's the month-end meetup of the Urban Sketchers Singapore group, and we're right here in front of the indoor stadium. Okay, I guess everyone's here. Benedict's the team leader today.
So it's not that scary. It's you just take the sketches you put on the ground, and everyone will just surround the sketches and just take a look at what everyone else has done. That's about it. So you can find your spot, get comfy, and then we'll see you back here at 12.
Hello. Behind the scenes with Pat as he photographs all the urban sketches and then uploads the stuff that you see online on Facebook, Instagram. That's him in action.
What is this?
This. Okay, replay this video from 2 years ago.
What is this beautiful substance?
It's called medium, and for me I use a mixture of oil and something synthetic. It's called liquid. Let's do it again. Okay, so this is basically a mixture of liquid. It's synthetic. It helps dry the oils quicker.
Oh.
Yeah, and there's also stem oil in there to get it going, so it dries and at the same time it gets it going
Moving
when
again.
it's
Lesson of the day.
okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So once again, everyone, it's one more week to Tuan Wu Jie, or the Dragon Boat Festival. So everyone out there on the river, they're either tapering off their training or getting in the last few spurts of training. I found my spot and I'm gonna paint the skyscrapers from over this side because I feel that the bridge here is just too camouflaged, too messy. So with the skyscrapers over there, we're able to see the silhouette of the buildings. and they're of different heights, so that makes it really interesting for our rods and cones in there. Why are you wearing a mask?
My name is Queenie.
What are you using for your piece today? Oh.
It's a fountain pen.
Okay.
Pilot ink.
Okay. Ooh, okay, please be. How long did it take you to sketch that?
Came at 10:30.
Okay,
I guess 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. Let me hold this up. And this is the ink. Okay, it's called Shizuku. How did you hear about the group?
I used to join years ago before I went overseas to work, and I'm a friend of theirs.
How long did you take for your piece?
I think I took almost 2 hours.
Okay.
I think less than that today.
Are you happy with your piece?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's a lovely piece, yeah. Thank you.
This one is
This is Pocholo.
this is a West Coast last time,
Okay. Yes.
and then this is mine now.
Okay.
Late.
So fast.
So late. Follow him. He's a vlogger. This one my new colleague.
Welcome. How did you hear about the group?
I heard it from Pocholo.
Pocholo, okay,
Yeah.
great. And what did you use? What medium did you use today to make your
So
pencil? Okay, cool. Nice to meet you. And you are?
I'm Yuan.
What did you use to draw yours?
Pencil, then I ink it.
Okay. How long did you take for yours?
About an hour.
Okay, most importantly, did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, not bad.
Okay, cool.
Outdoor activity.
Cool, yes. Bullying, how did you hear about urban sketches?
Instagram.
Instagram, fantastic.
Yeah, then I saw the.
Okay, but you came here on your own, so that must have took a lot of courage.
It's alright. I just wanted to sketch more outside because I don't do that usually.
Okay, but do you have sketching experience?
Not a lot, to be honest. My drawings are really very bad.
Welcome to the group. Thanks for sharing with us. Yeah. Bye, see you at the meeting point there. Hope you enjoyed seeing everyone's work. I surely did. Time passes so fast when you're having so much fun. How did you like this episode? Did you enjoy it?
There's a global group too. You look for
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you for staying on until this far. Good luck to all those paddling next week at the Dragon Boat Festival. Let's take some time now and do an evening scene from across the Kallang Basin area right there, where the National Dragon Boat Association is. So let's head on over there to make a quick watercolor evening sketch of the sunset. This is Alvin Mark for USKSg here in Singapore at the National Stadium area. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Until the next one, next month. See you around. Ciao ciao.